With over 46 years of experience, Binawan Group stands as the pioneer in the manpower industry in Indonesia. Throughout its impressive journey, Binawan has built a reputation for excellence, boasting a proven track record of successfully placing over 130,000 skilled workers in various countries across the globe. Our vision is to be the leading company in Indonesia, empowering and developing the country's manpower to excel globally while fostering sustainable partnerships with international employers. Our missions are to establish strategic alliance with international organizations, businesses, and recruitment agencies, facilitating the placement of Indonesian talent in various sectors worldwide, matching their skills with global job opportunities, and to collaborate with educational institutions, vocational training centers, and government agencies to bridge the skills gap and create tailored programs that align with industry demands, thereby increasing the employability of Indonesian workforce globally. Binawan empowering individuals to succeed internationally while contributing to the country's overall growth and prosperity. By partnering with Binawan, international employers gain access to a pioneer in the industry, a vast pool of qualified professionals, a proven track record of successful placements, and the assurance of strong official support. This makes Binawan the ideal choice for international employers seeking reliable and high-quality talent from Indonesia. Binawan Group is the pioneer of Indonesian manpower development and international placement with a holistic ecosystem focused on upgrading its education and skill set to meet the needs of global standards. We have been focusing on creating an ecosystem that develops Indonesian manpower to be able to be recognized as equals in the global stage through education, skill enhancement, cultural immersion, global networking, work experience, international job, and internship placement.